planning a group trip and tired of chasing down everyone for their share. Expedia doesn't directly offer a split payment option at checkout, but don't worry. There are a few clever workarounds to make splitting costs a breeze. First, figure out the total cost of your booking on Expedia. Then, use a calculator to divide that total by the number of people in your group to determine each person's share. The easiest method is for one person to pay for the entire booking and then request money from everyone else using apps like Venmo, PayPal, or Cash App. Create a group chat to keep track of who has paid and who still owes. This helps avoid any confusion or awkward reminders later on. Another option, if booking a hotel, is to ask the hotel if you can split the payment upon arrival. Some hotels are happy to accommodate this request, especially if you call ahead to inform them. Finally, consider booking separate components of your trip. For example, book flights individually and then book the hotel together, splitting the hotel costs separately. This gives you more control over individual payments. So, while Expedia doesn't have a built-in split payment feature, these methods will help you divide the costs and enjoy your trip without the payment hassle.